In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Slack workspace name by following these simple steps. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so you can see my workspace name is Crescent Labs here, and I'd like to go ahead and make a change or change on it. To do this, just go ahead and click on this drop down arrow and then go to Tools and Settings. Under Tools and Settings, click on Edit Workspace Details, and here you'll be able to see workspace name and URL. To change the name, go ahead and add anything that you wish. And once you have changed, go ahead and click on Save, and the changes will be captured immediately. So you can see this has been changed from Crescent Labs to Crescent Lab. So that's how you can change your workspace name in Slack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.